Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network, where we share our daily wins, the lessons that we are learning, and the progress that we're making. Now, let's go ahead and get into today's win of the day. My win of the day is that today I'll be getting hands on at one of our construction projects. I'll be helping with the final cleanup at our Grove Street project location as we are getting ready to turn it over to our client. They are planning on moving in this Friday, which is very exciting because I got to see this project reach the finish line after all the hard work that our team has put into it. So even though that my role is mainly in the office, I enjoy getting out of the job site because it helps me better understand construction process from start to finish. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Because being involved in the final stages of the project also gives me a greater appreciation for all the planning. So I'm going to go and help out with the finishing touches, the final cleanup, just making sure that everything is good to go and is good for our client to move in already. So today is an opportunity to learn, contribute wherever I'm needed, and support our team as we complete another successful project. So for that reason, I'm going to go ahead and give myself the aplausos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, guys, I'm very proud to be part of this milestone, and I'm looking forward to seeing the Grove Street project finally and officially completed. So that's the goal for today. We're finishing that up today, turning it into our client by tomorrow, if not fully by Friday. But the plan is for us to be able to allow them to move in on Friday. So that's what I'll be doing today. It's been such a great morning so far, and I'm excited to get there right now. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you want to share your daily wins with us, go ahead and give us a phone call. Our office number is 619-202-0679, or you guys can also visit us in person. We are located at 3683 University Avenue here in San Diego. You guys are welcome to also follow us on YouTube, on our social medias, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat. But yeah, guys, thank you so much again and have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember to follow your dreams and work on your daily wins. Have a good one.